In this video, you will see.
Yes, I did.
Hi, girls.
No, I couldn't go.
Please take your seats.
Listen and practice.
Did you go to Steven's birthday party yesterday?
Yes, I did. It was so much fun. Did you go?
No, I couldn't go. My parents didn't allow me to. How was the party?
Oh, it was amazing. There were so many balloons and decorations.
Really? What else happened?
The cake was huge and delicious. And we played so many games.
Wow! What games did you play?
There was a treasure hunt that was so much fun. We were running around looking for clues.
That sounds incredible. I wish I could have been there.
Hi, girls. What are you talking about?
Hi, Steven. We were talking about your party. It was so much fun.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Hi, Lily. Why didn't you come?
Hi, Steven. I wanted to, but my parents didn't allow me to go.
Oh, that's too bad. We missed you there.
I really wanted to come. Emma was just telling me about the treasure hunt. It sounded so exciting.
It was. Maybe next time your parents will let you come.
I hope so. It sounds like I missed a lot of fun.
Good morning, everyone. Please take your seats. I hope you all had a good weekend. Let's start today's lesson. We will be learning about past tense verbs. Can anyone tell me a sentence using a past tense verb? Yes. Emma.
I went to a birthday party yesterday.
Excellent, Emma. Went is the past tense of go. Anyone else?
I played games with my friends.
Very good, Stephen. Played is the past tense of play. Let's continue with more examples.